So, why did my VW Passat fail inspection? 7 defects or damages that compromise vehicle safety, are bad for the environment or endanger other people on the road. Right side control arm, rear bushing, excessive play. Right side control arm, ball joint, excessive play. Structural rust, rear right frame rail. Leaking high pressure fuel pump. Torn CV boot outside left. Torn CV boot outside right. Diesel exhaust smoke test not completed due to engine leaks. 6 advisory defects. Small defects on license plate, still readable. Brake lines starting to corrode. One of the number plate lights is out. Deformed rear quarter panel. Slight corrosion. Slight oil leaks. Well, that's the list.
Okay, the leaking fuel pump. It leaks from the top, so I only changed the top cover gasket and O-ring for the throttle shaft. Next on the list, front suspension. Control arms and CV shafts are now sorted. All that's left is that rust hole in the rear frame rail. While my buddy was welding that up, I got a puncture at his garage, so he gave me some of his spare wheels for the technical inspection. This is that smoke test that I couldn't even do the last time because of my fuel leaking. Diesel smoke test is done, and this is the main building for the inspection. no huge drama here, just a solid pass and legal till next year. One last thing, those red doors were starting to get on my nerves, so a quick rattle can spray paint job and they are white. Nothing left to do but enjoy driving the Passat around until the next jobs pop up